20th year.
Thank you so much, Chris. So ano ba? Friends ba kayo? Di ba, syempre madaming kinikilig, Chris. Ano ba yan? Kinikilig ba kayo? Oh. So ano, friends kayo? So how can you be lovers if you can't be friends? So friends ba kayo?
Well, of course we're friends.
Oo. Totoo,
But,
tunay. Pero, ano may pero?
Pero, of course, we're just trying to take it step by step.
Oo nga. Step by the step.
Step
diba?
by step.
The step.
Pero nakailang steps na siguro.
Nakailang steps na daw siya. Kasi syempre gusto niya nalang ano daw? Ano daw?
I love you guys.
Hindi naman I love you yung sinabi nila. May ibang
Sila
sinabi.
si Mr. P daw. Tinatawag akong Mr. P. So,
Okay. Ayun pala. Oh. Love you too daw sabi.
Love you
Yan.
too.
So alam niyo na guys.
in Nina's words, love you 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Well, it's always a pleasure singing with Chris
Always a
Lawrence,
pleasure.
everybody. Thank you so much.
Thank you, everybody.
Tonight.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much. So, ayan. Clear na sa inyong lahat. Ha? See you guys.